Hey guys, in this video we going to be checking out the 5 best baby eyebrow pencils which are best in rating, pricing, and customer satisfaction. We have listed them based on quality, price, and features. If you want more information on the pricing mentioned on the product, be sure to check the links in the description below.
This definitely lives up to the hype. This matches my eyebrow color perfectly. I got the Unibrow Universal Eyebrow Pencil from Winky Lux. The color is super flattering and it matches really, really well.
And I have really dark features, so I'm really excited to use this one because I've heard great things.
Other eyebrow pencils never usually match. They're either like a little bit too light or a little bit too dark.
I just love these Winky Lux products. Nice, healthy products for my skin.
It is a miracle how well it matches.
You can see the difference.
Now I'm obsessed with this product.
I am never using another eyebrow pencil again.
NYX Professional Makeup. It's what we do. Pro is seeing the big picture through every lens and on every screen, embracing every shade of you. Pro products compete and win. Extreme wear, intense pigments. What you see is what you get through any and every test. Crafted by the artists, formulated by the pros. Pro has no fear. Self-expression in full color. Deep ranges. Accessible to everyone. Accessible for everyone. Content that celebrates who we are, what we are. Pro products shape the future. Pro is not a trend. It's a lifestyle. Reliable, trustworthy, relevant. Pro is here to stay. Pro quality, pro risk taking, pro troublemaking, pro equality, pro future, pro you.
As a physician and an ophthalmologist, I'm very passionate about the eyes and eye care overall. That's one reason why in 2006, I created Revitalash Cosmetics, beginning with a unique eyelash conditioner product that I'm proud to say has inspired not only an iconic brand, but an entirely new category of cosmetic products, and a way to care for your lashes and brows that has been imitated the world over. Our original formula was designed to help my wife Gail to feel more beautiful during her courageous fight against breast cancer. She taught me how important beautiful lashes and brows are to women, and the way you look and how you feel are so intimately connected. As a physician, my goal was to develop a safe product that would deliver results while helping to fortify the natural lash, restoring health, and that beautiful shine that is synonymous with gorgeous lashes.
Revitalosh Advanced Eyebrow Conditioner. Apply once a day to clean and dry eyebrows using a few short strokes following the contours of your eyebrows' natural shape. For best results, use consistently and be sure to let dry before applying any facial products. Daily use of this product leads to bold, beautiful brows.
We hope you like our video. Please subscribe to our channel and comment down below.